Okay, so basically what we're doing here is these boards go up against a shelving unit, and each side, whoever set these up initially did this. So, and one on each side, see over there. So basically when you turn the key, this holds the board from just falling out. So what happens, as you see, is it's just loose and it spins freely. You can see here that these cam locks, let me set the camera back up. You can see here when the key's in it, and this is out, which when it's out like that, you're supposed to turn the key and it lets you pull the board off. So it gets loose. Cam locks have these little washer things that you can see how wallowed out it is. So what I'm going to do, I've showed you, or I'm going to put in this video the clip of where these come from. Okay, I've showed you all this trick before, but I take a short throw Schlage old style B series deadbolt that we don't install anymore. I've got a bunch of these, and I clamp it up in a drill press with a fairly big bit. I think that's a 3/8, and they're peened on right there. So basically what I'm doing is taking that metal off each side so that the plate will pop off, and then I grind these flat, and you take your cam lock, and that provides a double D cutout for a standard cam lock. So you mount this in, which I'm going to show you, mount that down, screw it down, and on the other side of the wood, obviously on the underside, and put your cam lock in, and it holds it steady and keeps it from twisting in the hole because you have your 2 screw braces right here. So that's one little trick. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to center this over the hole, and I'm going to take a new lock and stick up in the hole and tighten it down, and then I'm going to route out this so that it's flush with the wood, and basically that, and then screw it in on each side, and basically that will keep the lock from spinning, period. So that's what I'm about to do. I'm going to get this set up, and I'm going to just crop this video together, so I'll be right back. Okay, we've got it fastened down with the nut temporarily. And I'm going to scribe the line that I'm going to be going on to route it out. And using a 7/8 inch wrench, which is awesome for these nuts. Screw it. Probably can't see it there, but there is the line. So then I'm going to get my trim router here. And adjust the depth down, just not too far. Need to go real deep, about right there. Chisel. I do not have safety glasses because this slings stuff everywhere, so hold on. Aha, safety glasses. sec. Kind of hard to see on this wood, so I'm actually going to put a couple of notches in here. It's a round router bit, so it will have to be squared off anyway. It's a very stable platform to do this. Check that. Now, since this is the back of it, it doesn't have to be super accurate. So here we go. Like we are almost there. We round it a little bit, but again, it's not overly necessary for it to be picture perfect because you don't see this. So if this was the finished side, it would have been a lot more judicious with the chiseling and that routing. So yeah, not sure you heard that, but if you didn't, I was just saying, since this is the side you don't see, you don't have to worry about. You want it as square as possible so that it's a tight fit, but again, it doesn't have to be perfect. Alright, so what that does is using your recess side up. Okay, see it's in there. I'm going to fasten it down with 2 screws, and when we come up with this, it will not move at all. Well, moves a little bit, but obviously it won't turn all the way. So that's all there is to do it, times 4, and keep the locks so they're all the same, and there you have it.